Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to start our next chapter in computers, that is, chapter 11 Internet Services. In this video, you will learn about social networking sites like microblogging, Twitter, etc. So, watch the video carefully. Dear children, today I am going to tell something more about internet services. So, first is social networking sites. A social networking service or site is an online platform which people use to build social network or social relationship with other people who share similar personal or career interest and activities. Social networking is a group of individuals who share their thoughts, ideas, activities, events, interest, photos, messages, and videos over the internet. The social networking websites function like an online community of internet users. In social networking websites, every user has a profile which contains information about them. A user can also invite other people to join these websites, no matter what their hobbies, beliefs, or interests are. Some of the popular social networking sites are Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. Dear children, you are very well aware about all these social networking websites because nowadays children are more attracted towards this type of social networking websites. They meet with the new friends, they share their videos, their creations, their activities, their pictures, but you have to be very careful about these social networking websites. Next is microblogging. A microblog is a short piece of content designed for quick audience interaction. Microblogging is a web service that allows users to broadcast short messages to the other users. It is a new form of communication in which user can share their thoughts via short post distributed by SMS, mobile phones, emails, digital audio, or the web. Micropost can be made public on a website or distributed to a private group of subscribers. Some of the most popular microblogging services are Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, Tumblr, Jaku, etc. Twitter is the one of the best known channel in the microblogging world. Twitter is a quick and convenient way to share short posts, articles, images, videos, messages to others. Twitter is an online social networking site that allows users to send and receive text based messages known as tweets. A tweet is restricted up to 280 characters, Previously it was up to limited only 140 characters, but now it increased from 140 to 280. With a Twitter account, you can choose to follow other members and receive their tweets on your page. Moreover, other people can also follow you. Twitter has gained worldwide popularity and has become one of the top 10 most visited website on the internet. Internet forum. The term forum refers to a discussion area in a website where people with common interest can communicate in the form of posted messages. It is a system that allows users to send, read, and reply to messages on a particular subject in real time. A forum can be focused on any topic such as language, technology, sports, music, religion, politics, etc. To become a member of the forum, a user is required to register to the particular website. When the applicant is approved to be a member of the forum by the administrator, then one can set his or her username and password, and thereafter one can navigate within a forum. To read or view the topic of interest, simply click on it. Similarly, one can read the posted messages of any specific discussion, and then users can reply to any of the messages. A forum is different from chat room. In a chat room, people usually chat at the same time, whereas in a forum, members in a discussion group post messages that can be read by other members whenever they log on. Some examples of internet forum are Quora. User can ask any type of logical questions and they can discuss on any type of topic.